Vsi nekaj hočejo.
Morning.
Good morning, how are you doing?
Stay.
Ground floor.
Tist prej je bila prva kava, zdaj sledi pa druga kava. A veš, jaz imam pravilo, vsaj 2 pred službo, kakšno več včas, oziroma po potrebi, ne. Can I get one double extra large? Thank you. Oh, let me help you.
Yeah, here.
Okay, got it.
हम लोग कहाँ जाकर पटना ना?
Ja, jaz to nič ne razumem.
Thank you so much.
No worries, have a nice day.
Stand clear to door.
A veš, kave ni nikoli preveč. Če me pa 30 začne, pa je treba pa kakšno uro počakati, da malo popusti, pa lahko pa še eno spiješ. Takole, a veš, imamo štumfe, nogavice, zokne. Drugače pa ne fotkam skozi teh štumfov. Štumfi, slučajno delam spet te dni za njih, še štumfi. Naprimer, prejšnji teden sem snemal enega mladega entrepreneurja.
We had a team of 139 people,
Antropor.
an audience of 8 million, with viewers tuning in from 104 countries.
To bo on uporabil pol za social media branding.
I was 19 years old, and I was in charge.
Se drugače lušta, enkrat naštelaš te luči, pa sem še menaš tele štumfe gor pa dol, kot po tekočem traku. Le kaj pa kle? Malo se mi ne da več teh štumfov fotkati. Sami štumfi. Ampak za denar. Za denar se pa splača. Drugače smo bili pa včeraj s prijatelji v največjem akvariju v Kanadi. Nikoli me niso te ribe toliko zanimale, da bi hodil gledati to, ampak tega so res priporočali. In moram reči, da se ga izplačali pogledati.
Feet up.
Hey, hi.
What's up, buddy?
Nice to meet
How's it
you.
going?
What up? Hey, tell my followers what we're going to shoot and what do you need all this footage for? What are you gonna do with it?
Starting up my business and definitely need help with the videography and recording a lot of the training here and internationally.
He's a basketball coach.
And sailing coach. And I also write programming and recommendations for sport, for governments and sport organizations. So I've done some of the warm-ups and some of the recommendations for dynamic activity for kids and sailing and now basketball and for hopefully soon for mental.
A lot of stuff.
Yeah. More importantly, let's see what's in the meeting today.
V glavnem, on je pač trener košarke in me rabi za to, da bo naredil za svojo spletno stran par posnetkov. Zdajle je to nek meeting, jutri bom pa snemal njegove treninge. Najprej moram dati mikrofon gor, da se ga boš slišal. Hey, let me wire you.
I understand. What, one more
Can you
time?
just clap so I can synchronize
Clap?
the audio?
No problem. You're funny. The goal of research is to currently assess the mental skills training in Canada and abroad and using the current screening tool. So in the first year we'd be assessing the screening tool, screening about 1,000 athletes, and then reviewing all the data that we accumulate and how effective that screening tool is. And then years 2 and 3 we'd hopefully improve it and then roll out to about 10,000 athletes in years 2 and 3. Hopefully we're going to host some basketball camps and sport camps in Poland, China, Canada, and the US this year. I love coaching basketball but I would definitely like my business to help address the lack of mental skills training, as that was the biggest difference maker in me being successful in business and life and mostly sport. Got to be on the national team of Poland. My little brothers made it to the Olympics, and we attribute a lot of that to mental health. No, of course. Like I said, my goal is to go big, but right now I need some small-time sponsorship and
Been a
exposure.
little too nice to y'all. Now I gotta up price for y'all. Snake eyes on dice for y'all. Shoulders on ice for y'all. Frozen. A6 all the hate. I won't get involved.
Ful se mi zdijo zanimive te pisarne, ker imaš takole fino kuhno, mize za ping-pong, med pauzami nabijajo PlayStation, bolan razgled je.
Whoa, whoa, whoa. For the record, I'm done trying to make y'all comfortable. For the record, you ain't trying to grow, then it's done for you. For the record, lab on me going all the way. For the record.
Oh, Canada, our home and native land.
True north and free. At home, like within a few minutes, I was able to fall asleep. But
Ja, čisto uničena. On je delal, when did you come home last night?
2:30 in the morning, 3.
Kifelci, ja.
Got a new client today here at Benchmark Sports. Let's see how it goes. One of the biggest aspects is to eliminate unnecessary footwork. When you play basketball and we want to beat our man on our first step, we don't want to step short, nor do we want to step too wide, turning our hips away from the defender. Sorry, nice to meet you. I'm Mike. Nice to meet you. This is my videographer, Bit. He's the #1 YouTuber in Slovenia right now. You like that, eh? Again, I'm gonna make you work, so be ready. This is, again, we just want to see how your handles react. Let's go strong hand, knee down. Ready? Set, go. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Right away, jump into it. Let's go. This is your cardio right here. I can make you run all day, but I know you can't on your own. So we're gonna cardio and blast your muscles till they catch up to the fatigue you got. Don't let drop your hand. Don't put it down until it hits the rim or goes in. I know it seems cocky, but it helps build technique and better arc. Extend up and away. Yes. Beautiful.
Hey, yo, are we done here?
We're done here.
Okay, it's time for coffee now, I hope.
Oh, breakfast, coffee, everything.
Is that Vince Carter?
Is that Vince Carter? That is Vince Carter.
You know, I know something about basketball. Sem mislil, da bo pol ure, je bilo pa ura pa pol. In sem vse skupaj snemal v kosu. In je skozi taka pozicija kamere, sem čisto uničen. In nisem imel niti še svoje prve kave danes, spal sem 4 ure. Michael? Yeah? I need coffee. I heard you, shut up.